I haven't had my interview. Gotcha.
If young don't come back, are you more prepared to support them to even as far as leadership and
Yeah,
it might be
yeah, right. Yeah, you don't know what's gonna happen in terms of our personnel. It was great to have him on the team. I think by nature, I can be a vocal leader. Just by nature of my position, I have to be on the court. But when it came to the huddles, you know, just the way they got the team ready and motivated and always had the right things to say, I definitely learned a lot. They always had the right things to say. Always knew what to say, when to say it, how to say it. And it was good to see that firsthand. I definitely learned a lot from them.
what is the team lead?
I don't know. I think I don't know. I think a backup point guard would help. I mean, that would be nice for me. And I know I'm sure Tia would love it as well, so she doesn't have to do it. But the one thing about I can say about this coaching staff, about Brian, in terms of his GM responsibilities as well. I know they're going to put together the right pieces. You don't know who we're going to have. You really don't. A lot of people's contracts are up. Some people are restricted free agents. Who knows what money they'll get offered? But I really have a lot of confidence that Brian's gonna do the right thing and put together a team. But yeah, I wouldn't mind a backup.
Is that Kim a consideration?